Learn essential family vocabulary and phrases in English. Who is in your family?
I have my parents and one sister in my family.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
How many people are there in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
What does your father do?
My father is a teacher.
What does your mother do?
My mother works in an office.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my family.
Where does your family live?
My family lives in New York.
How old is your sister?
My sister is 12 years old.
Do you have grandparents?
Yes, I have a grandfather and a grandmother.
Who is the youngest in your family?
My little brother is the youngest.
Do you have any pets in your family?
Yes, we have a dog.
Who do you look like in your family?
I look like my mother.
Does your family have any traditions?
Yes, we have a family dinner every Sunday.
How often do you see your cousins?
I see my cousins once a month.
Where do your grandparents live?
My grandparents live in a small town.
Who is your favorite family member?
My favorite family member is my aunt.
Do you have a big family?
No, my family is small.
Does Albert have any brothers?
Yes, Albert has 2 brothers.
Is Barbara close to her family?
Yes, Barbara is very close to her family.
What do you like to do with your family?
We like to watch movies together.
I eat breakfast every morning. I go for a walk after dinner. I check the weather before I leave home. I buy groceries once a week. I clean my room on Saturdays. I call my friends in the evening. I read the news every day. I make dinner around 7 p.m. I charge my phone at night. I set my alarm before going to bed.
Beach day conversation. Practice English with simple dialogues. Hi Annabelle. It's such a beautiful day at the beach, isn't it?
Hi, George. Yes, the weather is perfect. The sun is shining, and the sea looks amazing.
Do you like coming to the beach often?
I do. The beach is my favorite place to relax. How about you?
I love the beach too. It's so peaceful. I enjoy swimming in the sea.
Swimming is fun. I also like to collect seashells. Have you ever done that?
Yes, I have. It's interesting to see all the different shapes and colors. Do you want to collect some now?
Sure. Let's walk along the shore and see what we can find.
Great idea! The sand is so warm under our feet. It feels nice, doesn't it?
It really does. And the sound of the waves is so calming.
It's the best part of the beach. The waves are so relaxing. Do you like to sunbathe as well?
Yes, but only for a short time. I prefer to stay in the shade and read a book.
That sounds nice. What kind of books do you like to read?
I like to read novels, especially romance. How about you?
I like adventure stories. They're exciting to read. Maybe we can read together sometime.
That sounds fun, George. We can bring our books next time we come to the beach.
Definitely. I'm looking forward to it. I'm glad we could spend time together here today.
Me too, George. The beach is even better when you're with a friend.
I agree. Let's make sure to come back soon.
Learn English, simple prepositions of place with examples. Where is the cat? The cat is on the table. Where is the book? The book is under the chair. Where is the clock? The clock is above the door. Where is the pen? The pen is in the bag. Where is the car? The car is next to the house. Where is the dog? The dog is in front of the sofa. Where is Paul? Paul is behind the door. Where is Nancy? Nancy is between the two cars. Where are the shoes? The shoes are under the bed. Where is the lamp? The lamp is on the desk. Where is the painting? The painting is on the wall. Where is the remote? The remote is beside the TV. Where is the laptop? The laptop is on the table. Where is the vase? The vase is on the shelf. Where is the cat's toy? The cat's toy is under the couch. Where is the coffee cup? The coffee cup is on the counter. Where is the mirror? The mirror is above the sink. Where is the chair? The chair is next to the table. Where is the backpack? The backpack is behind the chair. Where is the notebook? The notebook is in the drawer.
Easy English conversation, cooking recipe chat. Hi Annabelle. How are you today?
Hi, George. I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well. I was thinking about trying a new recipe today. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love cooking. What recipe are you thinking of?
I want to make a simple pasta dish. Do you have any good recipes for pasta?
Yes, I do. How about we make spaghetti with tomato sauce?
That sounds perfect. What ingredients do we need?
We need spaghetti, tomatoes, garlic, olive oil, basil, salt, and pepper.
Great! I have all those ingredients. What's the first step?
First, we need to boil the spaghetti. Fill a large pot with water and add a little salt.
Okay, I'll do that. How long should I boil the spaghetti?
Boil it for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until it's al dente. Meanwhile, let's make the sauce.
Sounds good. How do we make the sauce?
Heat some olive oil in a pan. Then add chopped garlic and sauté until it's golden brown.
I love the smell of garlic cooking. What's next?
Next, add the chopped tomatoes. Cook them until they are soft and form a sauce.
Should I add any spices?
Yes, add some salt, pepper, and a few basil leaves for flavor.
This is starting to smell really good. How long do we cook the sauce?
Let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. By then, the spaghetti should be ready.
The spaghetti is done. Should I drain it?
Yes, drain the spaghetti and then add it to the sauce. Mix everything well.
Wow, this looks delicious. Anything else we need to do?
No, that's it. Just serve it on a plate and enjoy your meal.
Thank you so much for the recipe, Annabelle. I can't wait to try it.
You're welcome, George. Enjoy your cooking.
I will. Have a great day.
You too, George.